Hi everyone, I'm Larry Port with Rocket Matter, and this is part 2 in a document assembly series for videos. So in the first one, we showed conceptually how it works. You have data, you have a document that has some placeholder into it, and the data smushes into the document, and blammo, you have a new document. So what I have today is an engagement letter, and I'm going to demonstrate a nice little flow that can save law firms a lot of time and remove a lot of operational waste, right? So this is my engagement letter, and you can see it has a couple of placeholders in here. It has this thing for current date. It has dear client name, dear client.last name, firm.name, and so on and so forth. And you can see all this information that it has that I'd have to go in and type it manually. So, and if you think about the intake process, imagine we completely streamline it. So in fact, this is what we've done at Rocket Matter. So we have an intake form. And so this is our make-believe law firm that we're using, JBH Law. And they have on their website a matter intake form, right? So the client is or the potential client's gonna fill out first name, last name, and all this core information. And our idea is that what if we could just have them fill this out here once and then automatically create an engagement letter, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we're gonna fill out this form. It's gonna say thank you. And then what's gonna happen is that when we take a look at Rocket Matter and go back to the home page, we are going to see that a new matter has been created, and we can see that right here. But if I go up here and I wanna navigate to my new matter, now it was filled out by this guy, Jeff Shavitz, right? So Jeff Shavitz is his name, and then we can see some custom information was filled, like the address and the county and so on and so forth. And what we're gonna do is we're going to do new merge document. And we are going to pick engagement letter from our list of templates. And remember, I haven't done anything, but look what happens is that instantly we get an engagement letter generated. So it says, Dear Jeff Shavitz, and so on and so forth. And so it instantly creates it. It puts his address in there and everything. So we go next, we can title it, and then we can click publish. We can even add some billable time over here if we want to. And then instant engagement letter. I have it stored in Rocket Matter. I can download it, send it on out. I can even share it with them in the portal. So it's a wonderful, wonderful, smooth and easy workflow. And you can see how using intake and document assembly, we eliminate all these steps.